Whoa! 400 horsepower.
What's that?
Yeah, do you want to do it again, Amelia?
Yeah.
It's just instant power.
It's just boom, it just hits you.
It literally, there's no combustion, it just goes
Bang.
What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. Now we're here today at LSH Auto and Mercedes Benz of Birmingham because we're picking up our dream family car. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Yay! Mercedes Benz of Birmingham is one of my favourite places. The showroom is stunning and runs across 2 floors. They have everything from family cars to high-end AMGs. The ground floor is also incredible with even more cars. I especially like this area here where a feature car can be showcased. Behind we have this enormous screen with beautiful graphics showing all the latest cars. They even have a bar area where you can order food and drinks, which I think is a really nice touch. This is especially good if you're dropping your car off for a service because you can have a sit down with a tea, coffee, and even grab some lunch. Right guys, are you ready to reveal the car and see what we're picking up? Are you ready, Amelia? Yeah? Are you gonna pull? That's it, pull.
Pull, pull, pull.
Pull, pull, pull.
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 Pull. Wow, come back here. Wow. Wow.
It's a black one.
Wow, Amelia, it's a black one.
Daddy, got swings with that.
Wow.
It's a black car.
Does it look good? Well, let's go.
Go in it.
Wow, look at it.
Go in it.
You want to go in?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me just move the camera quickly. Yay!
Here we go.
Okay guys, so here we have the EQC 400. What an absolute beast. It's got 400 horsepower and it's fully electric. I cannot wait to drive this beast. Oh, and that's not all because this Friday is my birthday. That's right, I'm 35 years old. And what better way to spend your 35th birthday than going to Mercedes Benz World and tearing it up around the track with the CLA45s. I'm finally doing my full track day in the CLA45s and I cannot wait. I'm going to film the whole thing for you guys. We're going to take the EQC on a road trip down to Mercedes Benz World in Surrey. So we're going to get more footage on this car and talk about how it is for long journeys. But most importantly, we're going to be doing a track day in the CLA45s. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video because it's going to be awesome. But now it's time to jump in the car and see how it drives. Whoa, it's really fast. It's definitely faster than the EQE, but this is the 400, so 400 horsepower in an electric motor is insane.
Wow.
You really really pulls you back in the seat. Do you like it?
You like it? That's good.
You like it, Amelia? Wow, we have to be careful because of the speed limits.
Yes.
With this thing. You won't.
Pink. She's looking at the ambient lighting.
Oh, the ambient lights is coming on.
It's all the way down to the back.
Oh, have you got pink back there, Amelia?
Yeah. She's got that coloured light strip in the back there. She's got her fingers inside and her fingers are glowing pink. Now it's turning to purple.
Wow.
Now it's turning to blue.
So first impressions with the car.
Amazing.
It's super comfortable.
Yeah.
Really, really easy to drive. Becky, you're going to absolutely love driving this car.
Can't wait. Really
it's
spacious.
Really spacious. Really, really powerful. I can't wait just to take it for a drive on my own through some country lanes. That's going to be a fun video.
Was that sport
In fact,
plus?
we're not even in sport mode. Let's put it
No, we're
in sport
not.
mode.
We're not in sport mode
And
yet.
you
Was
just
that comfort?
Find the dial. Here it is.
Was that comfort mode?
Yeah, that's comfort mode. This is eco. This is okay. This is sport mode. Are you ready?
No.
Whoa!
Whoa!
400 horsepower.
What's that?
Yeah, do you want to do it again, Amelia?
Yeah.
It's just instant power.
It's just boom, it just hits you.
It literally, there's no combustion, it just goes
Bang.
It's absolutely crazy.
There's no delay, is there, at all?
None at all.
Bang.
You just drink.
We are really soft.
Yeah, do you like
That
it,
was
Amelia?
really fast.
Do you like it?
Really soft. We get off the car, wait, and they are really slow. We're soft.
Yeah, we're much faster than the other cars, aren't we?
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, so this is just a quick drive because we're quite tired.
Mummy.
And Amelia obviously as well.
Mummy.
Yeah.
You don't like sport?
I'm not a fan of Sport Plus. No.
Well-
Mummy, you like Daddy's great car sport?
Ooh.
I don't like any Sport Plus.
Daddy's grey car Sport Plus is pretty crazy.
What about Daddy's comfort?
Daddy's comfort mode, yeah. I
Yeah.
like Daddy's comfort mode.
Okay, Daddy's comfort mode. That's what we go mostly when Becky's in the car. And when Daddy's on his own, he goes Sport Plus.
Hey, Mummy. Daddy,
Yeah.
get Sport Plus on again.
Again, okay, let me just slow down a little bit so we don't break the law and then I'll accelerate.
Yeah.
You want Sport Plus?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're now in Sport Plus, which is sport mode on this car because it doesn't have the plus.
It doesn't have Plus.
But it's
yeah.
like this. It really pulls you in the back of your
Really
seat.
forceful.
Yay!
It's insane. And that's the difference between an electric car really. I mean,
I mean, you just feel like you've left your stomach behind you.
I mean, an AMG obviously does a similar effect, but electric is just
I want comfort mode.
comfort mode,
Comfort
okay.
mode. It's very reactive, isn't it?
Really. But I must say though, actually, just
Yeah,
the
comfort
ride,
mode's more my
the
jam.
ride quality is really good. I mean, how smooth does this feel on the road?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
this would be a fantastic car for a long trip.
Yes.
So we're really tired. We've had a really busy
Really
day
long
filming.
day.
So how did you find Mercedes Benz of Birmingham?
Oh.
Your first time, Becky?
It was brilliant. It really was.
Amelia's a bit excited about the car.
She's overtired.
Yeah. But yeah, how did you find it?
It was great. Such a great day. Such an amazing team there.
Yeah.
So generous. So accommodating. Nothing is too much trouble.
Yeah, no, they are amazing.
They were
there.
such a friendly bunch of people. Made us feel so welcome. Didn't make us feel like we were getting in the way. Didn't feel like a nuisance.
Because Amelia was everywhere.
Yeah, but they were all so lovely with Amelia, and she was more than happy to hold their hand, and off
Yeah,
she went to
yeah.
explore,
Bless her.
and they just really made us feel welcome.
Yeah,
It
so
was
a
lovely.
huge
So
thank you. A huge thank you to LSH Auto and Mercedes Benz of Birmingham for just being so awesome, giving me access to these cars, you know, also letting Becky drive the cars too. Becky is going to drive this car, so Becky can't wait. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drive us home, and then on Friday, it's my birthday, and we are going to be taking the CLA45s out on the track. I've been looking forward to it for a while. I know I've been mentioning it to you guys, and I know a lot of you have been waiting for that video. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to really test the car out, and we're going to be driving this car down because it's a little bit of a trip. So we're going to have a little family road trip. I'm going to let Becky drive, and Amelia's coming as well, of course. She's very noisy back there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this collection. It was a chaotic video, as always with a 3-year-old. But
Chaos.
But you know, I really wanted to capture that family aspect, and yeah, the car is amazing, and I can't wait to do a full review on the car. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Say bye.
Say bye to everyone. Bye.